Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to a new video on Fantom. All right, wanted to do a full update on Fantom. It's been very bullish. It's been one of the most bullish cryptos actually in the last week. Even when Bitcoin was relatively bearish, Fantom still continued to rally, and so far there's nothing bearish about it. All right, so I just wanted to give you my thoughts. Wanted to kind of take you with me in what I think about Fantom and what the potential is, because ultimately, like if you go to the daily time frame, for example. And we should actually probably go to the 3 days or something. Can we not do that? No, we cannot do that. Can I not? Can I not do 3 days right here? Here, 3 days at. Yeah, so if we go to the 3 days, this still looks very, very bullish. We just hit a significant resistance level, right? Here you can see that historically 1.15, 1.2 is very strong, but if we break above that, which is certainly still a possibility, we can actually rally all the way up to 1.4, 1.5. I would say, look, historically there's not that much resistance there, but 1.5 is a psychological level, and we do have some very significant Fibonacci levels there. And regardless of whether you use them or not, the 0.382 Fib of the entire move down, that's strong, all right? And that's around 1.4. So do I think we can get there? Yes. However, on the short term, I'm not sure what to expect. All right, you can certainly see, and I don't think that there's much you can argue about this, that this is bullish. All right, so we are in an uptrend, and and if you zoom out, we are also still very bullish. The thing is, though, is that Fantom at this point of time is negatively correlated to Bitcoin. So it has not mattered too much that Bitcoin has fallen down quite a bit since Thursday. However, what could happen is that at some point of time, Fantom does get more correlated. All right, you can see, for example, that the momentum that Fantom has on its own is actually dropping down quite a bit. And usually what you see is that when a crypto has a lot of momentum on its own, it can actually deviate and not correlate with Bitcoin. But if the momentum keeps dropping down, then at some point of time, it's going to correlate with Bitcoin. And Bitcoin being bearish could drag down Fantom. So that's the main thing to watch. And I think we'll have more answers to this in the next 2 days or so. So basically the start of next week. Because I would say that the main support level right now is kind of between around 1.05. And if the open interest actually drops down below this level right here, around $370 million in open interest, then I do think that Fantom would also get a bearish breakout, which is not too bad. I mean, if we drop down to this level here at 95 and 90 cents, I would say it's most likely we will consolidate and then eventually break above 1.15 and rally up to 1.4. So it's not the end of the world, but short term, it's just like, will we break above 1.15 and 1.2 right now? Or will we first get a bigger pullback, consolidate, and do something like that later, like in a couple of weeks or maybe a couple of months? So that's what we're waiting for, all right? And I would say, purely technically, I would just wait for Fantom to break either below 1.05 or above 1.15. And if you have that confirmation, then you know a little bit more. I would say, but that's purely based on the fact that at this moment, Fantom is losing momentum and Bitcoin isn't looking the strongest. I would actually say it's a bit more likely that Fantom will break down a bit and drop down to 95, 90 cents, consolidate, maybe spike down, but ultimately get back up to 1.15 and break above that. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know, but I will keep you updated on this if you're interested in that. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.